Question number 6 from exercise 4.1. In the adjacent figure, triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. If BC is equal to 8 cm, PQ is equal to 4 cm, and BA is equal to 6.5 cm, AP is equal to 2.8 cm. Find CA and AQ. They have given all the values and they only asked us to find this length and this length, CA and AQ. Take this as A similarity angle because triangle ABC, triangle APQ, AA are common. So AB by AQ is equal to BC by PQ is equal to CA or AC, whatever it is, CA by AP. Now take AB is equal to 6.5 centimeter. These are the value which is given in the question. So you just substitute these value in this AA criteria. AB is 6.5 divided by AQ is equal to BC is 8 divided by PQ value is 4 is equal to CA. We don't know the value of CA, so write as it is, divided by AP is 2.8. Now these are the unknown two values, which is AQ and CA. So equate both this term and these two terms. Now do the cross multiplication. 6.5 by AQ is equal to 8 by 4. Do the cross multiplication. 6.5 into 4 divided by 8 is equal to AQ. Cancel this, we'll get 2, and this cancel this, we'll get 3.25 centimeter. Here the value of AQ is 3.25 centimeter. And 8 by 4 is equal to CA by 2.8. Do the cross multiplication. 8 into 2.8 divided by 4 is equal to CA. 4 and 8 get cancelled 2 times. 2 into 2.8, which is 5.6. Now let us move on to question number 8. After question number 8, we can see question 7. Question number 8 from exercise 4.1. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that area of a triangle ABC is 9 cm square and the area of a triangle DEF is 16 cm square and BC is equal to 2.1 cm. Find the length of EF. Okay. Here they are given two triangles. One is ABC and other one is DEF. The area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding sides. This was your condition. The area of a two triangles similar irundhuchuna, the ratio of the square of any two corresponding sides. Ratio means we have to divide. That means area of a triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. What is the corresponding sides? BC and EF. So BC square of the two corresponding sides. Two corresponding sides are BC and EF. Square means BC square by EF square. Now area of ABC is 9 cm and area of DEF is 16 cm. So 9 by 16 is equal to BC value, which is 2.1. It is given in the question. Square is there, so 2.1 the whole square divided by EF square. Take square root on both sides. If we take square root on both sides, 9 square root is 3 and 16 square root is 4 is equal to this square will be cancelled. 2.1 by EF. Now do the cross multiplication. 3 into EF is equal to 2.1 into 4. Here we have to find the value of EF alone. So bring this 3 this side. So 2.1 into 4 divided by 3. When we cancel this, we'll get 0.7. So 0.7 into 4, 2.8 centimeter. Here the EF is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Question number 7 from exercise 4.1. If in the figure of OPRQ is a square, OPRQ is a square where MLN is 90 degree, then prove that LOP is similar to QMO. So LOP is similar to QMO. In triangle LOP and QMO only we are going to see whether it is similar or not. Triangle LOP is equal to, now take in this way, LOP is equal to OMQ. Same side, LOP is equal to QMO. OMQ. So LOP is equal to OMQ. Both are corresponding angles. Here OO is a common. So let us see in a similarity angles, which is AAA similarity angle. It is similar. We proved it is a similar angle. Next, second subdivision. Triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. Here triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. Look at the diagram. Triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. Then we can write it as LPLO because of our corresponding angles. So angle should be in between. Is it so? PLO is equal to angle PNR. Here is the angle. So we can write it as PLO is equal to PNR. PP is a similarity angle. So we can write LOP is similar to RPN. Next condition is triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN. From subdivision 1 and 2, you just equate triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO and triangle LOP is similar to RPN. Just write triangle LOP is equal to triangle QMO is equal to LOP is equal to RPN. Both the angles, and then LOP angle will be getting cancelled. So QMO is equal to RPN. Hence it is proved. Next question number 4, subdivision 4. QR square is equal to MQ into RN. From question 3, subdivision 3, triangle QMO is equal to triangle RPN. We can take it as a AA similarity angle. Here, which is a common number, similarity angle. QM by RP is equal to QO by RN is equal to MO by PN. First two angles, here also first two angles is equal to 1 and 3 divided by 1 and 3rd angle is equal to last two angles, here also last two angles. In this condition, we don't want this MO and PN. We are going to deal with only this QM and QR RN. So cancel this, no need to write this. You just equate these two terms. PQRS is a square. In the square, what is the condition of a square? All the sides are equal. So instead of RP, we can write as QO. Instead of, look at the diagram, instead of RP, we can write as QO because both the sides are equal only, no. So instead of OQ, we can write as QR because all the sides are equal in a square. So I just wrote the condition here, RP is equal to QO and QO is equal to QR. Equate both the term, MQ divided by, instead of RP, we can write as QR is equal to, instead of OQ also we can write as QR divided by RN. Cross multiplication, MQ into RN is equal to QR into QR, QR square. So RQ square is equal to MQ into RN. Question number 9 from exercise 4.1. Two vertical poles of height 6 cm and 3 meter 6 meter are erected above a horizontal ground AC. Here the horizontal ground AC, and two poles which is P and R are erected heights of P. AP is 6 meters and height of RC or CR is 3 meters. Horizontal. Find the value of Y. Here the midpoint is mentioned as a Y. Here the midpoint can be mentioned as Y. We have got two triangle here. One is PAC and another one is QBC. Triangle PAC and QBC. In the side edutha, in the side da edukano. Okay va? So triangle PAC and triangle QBC. Here CC common, so we can take a similarity angle. A similarity angle PA by QB is equal to AC by BC is equal to PC by QC. Now substitute all the value. PA is nothing but 6 meter. So 6 by QB is nothing but Y is equal to AC by BC. AC is AC. So write as it is AC by BC. We don't know the value of B and C. So write BC. Now do the cross multiplication. 6 into BC is equal to AC into Y. Make it as equation 1. Next, let us see the triangle ACR and ABQ. Triangle ACR. and this triangle ABQ. If we take this direction, you have to take this angle also in that direction alone. ACR is equal to ABQ. Now by here AA common, so we can take a similarity angle. So take a similarity angle, AC by AB, CR by BQ and AR by AQ. Here AC by AB is equal to, the value of CR is 3 divided by BQ value is Y. Do the cross multiplication, AC into Y is equal to 3 into AB. Make it as equation 2. Next term, equate both equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, 6BC is equal to AC into Y and is equal to second equation ACY is equal to 3AB. ACY get cancelled. 6BC is equal to 3AB. Here we have to find the value of AB alone. So bring this term this side. 6 divided by 3 into BC. Cancel the 6 and 3 2 times. So AB is equal to 2 into BC, 2BC. Make it as equation star. Next, look at the diagram. AC, how we can write? AC is equal to AB plus BC. We can take this AC point as AB plus BC. So AC is equal to AB plus BC. Substitute this condition in the equation star. Instead of AB, we are going to substitute 2BC. So instead of AB, you just substitute 2BC. So 2BC plus BC, 3BC. So AC value is 3BC. Make it as equation smiley. Now substitute equation smiley in first equation. First equation is 6BC is equal to ACY. I just copied that here. 6BC is equal to AC into Y. 6BC is equal to 3 into AC value is 3BC no. So 3BC into Y. Bring this 3BC this side. We have to find the value of Y. So keep Y alone that side. 6BC divided by 3BC. BC get cancelled. 6 and 3 get cancelled 2 times. So Y is equal to 2 meter.